I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Welcome! Today we will build an intuitive picture of the ionic product of water, often called Kw. We'll see what it means, how big it is at 25 degrees Celsius, how it changes with temperature, and how it gives us the pH-Po relationship. First, the definition. Pure water very slightly autoionizes. One water molecule donates a proton to another, creating hydronium and hydroxide. 2H2O reversible arrow H3O++ OH-. Let's visualize. Two water molecules collide, a proton hops, and we form the two ions. The equilibrium constant for this reaction can be written as K equals the product of bracket H plus times bracket OH- divided by bracket H2O squared. Because liquid water's concentration is essentially constant, we fold it into K and define Kw equals bracket H plus times bracket OH- at 25 degrees Celsius. Experiments show that Kw equals 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14. That means bracket H plus times bracket OH- equals 10 to the negative 14 molar squared. In pure water, neutrality means the two concentrations are equal. So bracket H plus equals bracket OH-. Taking the square root, each is 1.0 times 10 to the negative 7 molar. Temperature matters. As temperature increases, autoionization becomes a little more favorable, so Kw gets bigger. At 50 degrees Celsius, for example, Kw is about 5.5 times 10 to the negative 14. At lower temperatures, Kw is smaller. Now, the pH and Po connection. We define pH as negative log base 10 of bracket H plus and Po as negative log base 10 of bracket OH-. Because bracket H plus times bracket OH- equals Kw, taking negative logs gives pH plus Po equals pKw. At 25 degrees Celsius, pKw is 14, so pH plus Po equals 14. Why does Kw matter? 1. If you know bracket H plus, you immediately know bracket OH- and vice versa. 2. You can compute pH or Po for any aqueous solution. 3. It underpins all acid-base calculations in water. Quick example. Suppose bracket H plus is 2 times 10 to the negative 6 molar at 25 degrees Celsius. Then bracket OH- equals Kw over bracket H plus, which is 5 times 10 to the negative 9 molar. And pH equals 5.7, while Po equals 8.3, and they add to 14. Key takeaway. At 25 degrees Celsius, Kw equals bracket H plus times bracket OH- equals 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14. I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Thanks for learning with me today.